morning! I want to share with you guys what I eat in a typical day. So today I'm just staying at home all day. I'm not eating out for dinner, so this is like a pretty realistic and normal what I eat in a day. Let's start with breakfast. For breakfast, I love making these overnight oats the night before. So I'll either have that or this is my favorite yogurt. It's non-dairy and it tastes really good and it doesn't have any weird ingredients. Today, it's pretty warm outside, so I think I'm feeling, actually, do I want to eat yogurt or do I want to eat overnight oats? The constant struggle. I'll eat overnight oats. So what I like to put in my overnight oats are chia seeds, rolled oats, cranberries, goji berries, hemp seeds. And then I love having fruit in the morning. Fruit is the best thing you can have in the morning because it goes through your system really quick. If you have fruit in the morning, it's like a race car. So it goes right through your system, it gets absorbed. But if you have it later in the day, it just gets stuck behind all the other carbs, meats, all that other stuff you're having. I also like to prep all our fruit before so that in the mornings I can just grab for it. So strawberries have been super in season. Blackberries. We got these from Costco yesterday and they're so sweet. I'm obsessed. I love to top my oats or yogurt with some sort of like granola. This is my favorite one right now, actually for like the past 6 months, but it's not super healthy. It's not super unhealthy, but it's also not super healthy. I got something similar the other day because I was craving it and then I still ended up getting the actual one, but this one is a good alternative. It's kind of more like Raisin Bran, the cereal, not really like a granola or cereal. It's one of those things where it's hard to find things that are super healthy, but I just try to change it up as often as we can. Before I have my breakfast though, I'm gonna eat my vitamins. I have these 3 vitamins every single day, or I try to. This is my multivitamin, an immunity vitamin. They're all gummy form because it's like the only way you'll get me to eat my vitamins. And then this probiotic. This one's actually super tasty. Also drink lots and lots of water. I'm not very good at drinking water, but Tim is, so he'll always remind me. But in the morning, I try to at least, like when I wake up, drink one, and then mid-morning, drink another. I'm also gonna make my coffee. Normally, I like to drink hot coffee, but in the summer, that's when I'll drink iced, obviously. So let's make it together. Here's my Nespresso. A little ASMR moment. So good. The milk that I love using is 3 Trees. This is pretty much the only almond milk or oat milk that I buy because the ingredients are filtered water, almonds, oats, chicory root fiber, baking soda, and French gray salt. This is for this barista version. The other version I really like is the vanilla bean. I think barista tends to froth better, but in general, these froth really well too. But if you can get 3 Trees, highly recommend. They also have the original unsweetened almond milk flavor that I really like. That one, for some reason, froths really well. Cheers. I'm gonna eat this, drink my water, drink my coffee, and edit some TikToks. We had just a little bit of the Raisin Bran left, so I just threw it all in here, added a little bit of milk, and I'm gonna eat that. So kind of like 2 bowls of stuff for breakfast. So hard to open. It's 12:30. I'm gonna have some lunch. First thing I'm gonna do is heat up this bone broth. Usually I have us drink this first thing in the morning, but I completely forgot this morning, so we're just gonna have it now. I'm just gonna heat it up on a simmer. So just on low, put the lid on. Usually for lunch, I like to have something quick. We have some leftover chicken and rice that we got from this Vietnamese restaurant. We had pho last night. We just ordered that extra for today. So I might have that and then maybe some veggies. I also love having just an avocado toast or like a wrap. This is the bread I like. We always eat Dave's Killer Bread. It's the healthiest option, I think. And then if I'm gonna do a wrap, I like to use the Angelic Bakehouse. These are really good, whole grain, 5 grams of protein. These wraps are really great. I'm just gonna keep it simple and eat the rest of this chicken rice situation. It's just like a chicken rice plate that you get at a Vietnamese restaurant. So I'm just gonna heat this up, eat this with some kimchi, and this is the wild brine, I think pickled beet. I bought this because everyone keeps saying how healthy and good it is. I think I'm okay on the taste of it. I do believe it's healthy, so I'm gonna make myself eat that. And then some lettuce, and I'm gonna wash up some cherry tomatoes. Oh, run away. Okay, Tim's in a meeting, so I'm gonna be quiet, but I'm on my second cup of water finally. So this time I'm gonna add in one of these collagen tubes. So basically, so it looks like this. It's strawberry kiwi flavored, and it basically has collagen, biotin, silica, just all things that are really great for your skin, hair, nails. I'm gonna add this in. It tastes really good, and I love knowing that I'm getting collagen because it's good for the skin. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet now. Okay, it's 4:30 right now, and I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I just want a snack. Normally, I like to snack on something healthy, so I just got this Lesser Evil popcorn. I really like their popcorn. I'm gonna have a little bit of that, and what else am I feeling? What I'm really feeling is, do you see those hot Cheeto Puffs? That is my guilty pleasure. So I only let myself eat it when I'm on my period, which this is my period week. I'm sorry if that's TMI, but I'm not actually super craving it, so I'm gonna hold off and start with the popcorn. And what else do I want? I think maybe I'll eat this mango right here. It feels okay ripe, so we'll cut it open and see if it's good. I'll eat that to start. This is so good. We're about to go out on a run, so can't eat too much of this, but normally I get the Himalayan pink salt flavor, but they didn't have it at the store, so I decided to try this one. I don't love the taste of butter, which is crazy unless it's in like cake or bread. I just don't put it on anything myself, so this tastes too like buttery. Can you explain to everyone why you wear those?
Because when I'm running, when I run for like hours at a time, I get stuff in my face, sweat. So this is like and you get a lot of sun exposure, and look swaggy, so I wear them.
Does it? The main issue is he has really bad allergies, so he needs that to block out anything going into his eyes. I'm gonna go snacking on this. I'm suddenly so hungry. This is how it looks. I don't bother chilling it because I actually like my food hot. So even though I feel like typically soba noodle is like chilled, I just eat it hot because I'm also really hungry. So now to dress it, I'm gonna put a little bit of this. It's kind of like a yuzu concentrate. So it has really good flavor. It's pretty salty. And then I'm gonna add my soba noodle dipping sauce, just kind of pour it over. I like the tanginess of ponzu, so I'm gonna add that as well. I'm gonna top it with this yuzu furikake. As you can tell, I love anything yuzu. And then also some togarashi. Yum! It looks delicious. Can't wait. My favorite thing to do when Tim's not home is binge YouTube. I'm watching Michelle Choi. Love her videos. And now we're on to the unhealthy stuff. I am craving these right now, so I'm gonna watch The Bachelorette. So I'm just eating these, and I'm gonna end up having a sweet tooth. So I love this Hu almond butter chocolate. No refined sugar, no cane sugar. Anytime I wanna indulge in a little bit of chocolate, I have this. And then this has been a really great way to end my day too. It's little chocolates that are good for your hair and skin, and they taste really good. They have kind of like a crunchy exterior. I'll eat one for you guys. See, has like a nice crunchy exterior. Oh, it's nice and chocolatey. You eat 2 a day. So I'm gonna enjoy my little snackies, watch The Bachelorette. Let me know if you're watching Charity Season. I think it's actually pretty good, but I love watching The Bachelor, Bachelor in Paradise, that whole franchise. It's just a really fun, calming thing for me to watch. So I'm gonna enjoy my little snackies, watch some TV, and call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. Let me know if you wanna see more, if you want me to do a whole week and show all the dinner recipes that I cook. Just let me know. I think it's really fun, and it's always nice to get inspired by what other people cook. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.